Okay, now let's continue with the example number 4. Now let's see if our polynomial with the square has got negative. Z, this time I use z square, negative z square minus z plus 12 is equal to 0. Let's see this one. Okay, so the first procedure is all the variables. I use variables or polynomials, whatever. The teachers are using polynomials, and we use variables. So they should be on left. All the variables should be on your left hand because it's what we are looking for. So here, because there's the constant is positive 12, so we subtract with 12 on both sides of the equation. So we got negative that, and then this cancels off. Okay, so now it becomes negative z squared minus z is equal to negative 12. This is what we have now. So what do we do with this one? Negative, well, as we said, the second step was to check or to see the leading coefficient is positive and is 1. So here is 1 but it's negative. So we should be divided by negative 1 in all these terms. Negative 1 on both sides. So when we divide it by negative 1, we get z squared plus z is equal to 12. It comes like that. So now the question comes. Let me forget to leave some space here. So z, we need to plus something on both sides is equal to 12. When we add here, we should add on the other side too. What is it now? We look to the coefficient of z, which is b. It's our b. So now what do we say about it? So here what we say is to say 1, because the coefficient is 1. So 1, as you see there, times half. And we square it as we say. So the formula that we use is b times half and we square it. So this b is 1. So we use 1 to get what to be added here. So if we operate this, we get half square, which is equal to 1 over 4. So now we got what to add. What to add is plus 1 over 4. We add the other side 1 over 4. Okay? So this is our perfect square. We need to know z, what we add here is b, is inside this one, which is positive. So it's plus half, because the coefficient, which is 1 times half, is half, and then we square. It means if you operate this, you would end up here, which is equal to, now this is quarter. So if we operate the fraction, this is 4, 1, it is 4, so it will be 48 plus 1. And then we get z plus half square is equal to 49 over 4. And then what we do here, we get rid of the power that completing the square thing is coming. We say z plus half. This is how it is, like this. So in order to get rid of that, we power with half. On both sides we do the same. 49 over 4 we power with a half. As I said, a half means square root. So we cancel. We got z plus 1 over 2 is equal to plus or minus root 49 over 4. And then we say z plus half is equal to plus or minus 7 over 2. Because square root of 49 is 7, square root of 4 is 2. Now we minus half this side, we minus half the other side. So we are going to end up having z is equal to negative half, because here the cancel off, we remain with the z on this side. And then we get plus or minus 7 over 2. Now you can see we are going to an end now. Z is equal to negative half plus 7 over 2, which is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. Or z is equal to negative half minus 7 over 2, which is equal to negative 8 over 2, which is equal to negative 4. So our answers of z, you can see here, z is equal to positive 3 or negative 4. Thank you so much.